start with the great name of Allah, who is most merciful and beneficent to all the people. This is me, Iram Sultana, BS English 2K20 batch, Sindh University, Larkana campus, and this video is recorded on the basis of first semester during current situation COVID-19. This lecture is supervised by Ma'am Fasia. My subject is philosophy and my teacher name is Miss Fasia. Introduction to philosophy. Branches in philosophy. Nature of philosophy. Importance of philosophy. Introduction to philosophy. Meaning of philosophy. The word philosophy is derived from the Greek words philia, love, and sophia, wisdom, and means the love of wisdom. Pythagoras was said to have been the first man to call himself a philosopher. The ancient Greek word philosophia was probably coined by Pythagoras and literally means love of wisdom or friend of wisdom. Philosophy is the study of the general and fundamental nature of reality, existence, knowledge, values, reasons, mind, and language. Branches in philosophy. Philosophy, like most academic fields, actually consists of several main branches. These branches themselves have sub-branches and can become very specialized as one progresses through the field of study. Metaphysics, epistemology, logic, exology, philosophy. Metaphysics. Metaphysics is the study of most general features of reality, such as existence, time, the relationship between mind and body, objects and their properties, wholes and their parts, events, processes, and causation. Epistemology. Epistemology is concerned with the nature of scope of knowledge, such as relationships between truth, belief, perception, and theory of justification. Typical question of interest. Oh, what is knowledge? Oh, can we know anything? Oh, what is truth? Logic. Logic is the study of principles of correct reasoning. Arguments use either deductive reasoning or inductive reasoning. Typical questions of interest. Oh, how can we reason correctly? Oh, how does the truth of an argument premise affect the truth of its conclusion? Oh, what do the words we use mean? Or how can we say things, especially ideas, in a way that only has one meaning? Axiology, study of values. Ethics or studies questions of how we should act. Aesthetics studies questions about art and beauty. Social political philosophy studies questions of which political and or economic institutions are most fair and just. Typical questions of interest. What has value? Is time really money? Have we made it so? Or does love, beauty, or justice hold any value? Nature of philosophy. Philosophy is a set of views or beliefs about life and the universe which are often held uncritically. We refer to this meaning as the informal sense of philosophy or having a philosophy. Usually, when a person says, "My philosophy is," he or she is referring to informal personal attitude, whatever topic is being discussed. Philosophy is process of reflecting on and criticizing our most deeply held conceptions and beliefs. These two senses of philosophy, having and doing, cannot be treated entirely independent of each other, for if we did it not have philosophy in the formal personal sense, then we could not do philosophy in the critical reflective sense. Having a philosophy, however, is not sufficient for philosophy. A genuine philosophical attitude is the critical importance of philosophy. The study of philosophy enables us to think carefully and clearly about important issues. In studying philosophy, we learn to take a step back from our everyday thinking and to explore the deeper, bigger question which underpins our thought. The focus in the study of philosophy is to learn not what to believe but how to think. Studying philosophy sharpens your analytical abilities, enabling you to identify and evaluate the strengths and weakness in any position. It prompts you to work across disciplinary boundaries and to think flexibly and creatively about problems which do not present immediate solution, because philosophy is an activity as much a body of also develops your ability to think and work independently. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you have any question regarding my lecture, so you can ask me.